This is the Wealthy Affiliate platform from which you'll see that it's been recently redesigned. So I'm a Premium Plus member, as you can see from the heading up here on the right next door to my picture, and I'm ranked 49 out of 2 million members. I've done 170 blog posts and have a following of 2.6 thousand. The good thing about Wealthy Affiliate is it gives you lots of things within the platform. It only costs me less than $500 a year to actually belong to this platform, and yet I can keep more than 12 websites on this platform, and I also get support from the community, massive community worldwide, and a lot of training as well. So if we just look at the training, so this is training that I've done. This is not, so I haven't actually prepared any trainings, but this is the core training for Wealthy Affiliate, where Kyle, the founder of Wealthy Affiliate, runs through a 6-stage program of making the most out of Wealthy Affiliate. So they take you through step by step exactly what to do. They explain everything, the activity dashboard, the core training, the inbox, so that you know fully everything about the platform. And then they step you through how to create your websites, and also how to promote your websites using all the latest tools, SEO and social media and so on. It's an absolutely fantastic platform for anybody who's starting out in online business, and you see a community of like-minded people. Here, if we just look at an example of some training, this is training from Jay, who's the head trainer for Wealthy Affiliate, and he gives you the complete rundown on images for your blog posts, and also using Canva for videos as well. So there's totally comprehensive training. There's a very supportive community. You can host up to, I think it's 50 websites I can host on here. These are the ones that I've actually got. I've got about 13 websites on here, but I could host more if I actually had the time to manage all those websites. And then for each website you get a hub which recommends things to do on your website. So you can view your website. That's gone wrong. We just need to get back onto Wealthy Affiliate. Here we are, back in Wealthy Affiliate, and there's all sorts of interaction which you can get comments from other members of Wealthy Affiliate for your websites. What I was going to show you was the hubs. So this is a hub to do with an online mentoring site of mine, Online Alan Edwards. So this is the website. Spelling error there, I need to work on that. These are some testimonials, then recent posts. There's a whole series of recent posts. So what you get is a hub which recommends things for you to do to optimize your website. It also includes recommendations on affiliate links that you might want to use for your business. So it's a really amazing platform, Wealthy Affiliate, and I can't recommend it highly enough. If you want to discuss it with me at all, don't hesitate to contact Alan at Alpus Group on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, it's +44 7539 141257. Or you can call me on the landline 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, it's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@halpersgroup.com. Cheers.